Each one prepares the next, a way of living, seeing clear through outer and inner depths. It begins with how we walk the world, with care in word and deed, then turns the gaze toward inner ground, where truth is learned and free. 8 steps guide the soul to union, each one shaping how we live, from action into inner stillness, from receiving into giving. What starts as discipline and care becomes a steady light, leading consciousness inward toward clear, unbroken sight. The body learns a balanced place, steady, open, strong. Energy finds its rhythm, where awareness moves along. The senses slowly draw within, the outer pull grows quiet. Attention gathers into one, no longer split or divided. 8 steps guide the soul to union, each one shaping how we live, from action into inner stillness, from receiving into giving. What starts as discipline and care becomes a steady light, leading consciousness inward toward clear, unbroken sight. Focus deepens into presence. Presence opens into knowing. Thought dissolves into awareness, where truth begins its flowing. Meditation steadies vision until no gap remains. The seeker and the sought are one, beyond all form and name. The eightfold path completes itself in silent unity, where life is lived as sacred truth and clarity stands free. What once appeared as many steps now moves as one clear way. Union rests as a living truth that neither comes nor strays. Steady, unified. Hold